Namaste and good evening, everybody. I'm Lina and I'm thrilled to guide you through this short bedtime yoga sequence. This is a gentle stretching routine. It's perfect to do before going to bed, helping to release any lingering tension in your body. You can do this on mat or even in your bed if you prefer. No props are needed, so let's get started. We're going to come onto our knees. Now you can have your legs wide or together, and you're just going to come forward, arms in front. You can have your arms at the back if that feels comfortable, whatever feels comfortable to you. I'm going to be here for a minute, so just relax into it and breathe. And as you're here, just allow any distraction or any noise just to float away like clouds on a sunny day. And if you're feeling any pain anywhere, just ease off and take your breath to that area and just breathe, allowing any tension to just release, letting go and allowing yourself to relax. And then coming up slowly. And then bringing your feet in front of you. And then just stretching up, pushing your tailbone down and just going forward. You might be here, you might even come down here, you might even be able to touch your toes. Just do what feels comfortable, letting your head hang or feeling a beautiful stretch on the back of your neck, your shoulders, your whole back and your legs, and just breathe. Allow yourselves to just embrace the quiet, letting go of anything that no longer serves you, no longer works for you. Use this time for yourself and allow yourself to relax. And then coming up slowly, coming down on your mat, and just allowing your legs to just fall open. You can have your arms on your belly or by your sides. Remember to breathe. Deeper you breathe, this allows your body to heal, to renew, rejuvenate as well. And then bringing your knees and legs together, hugging your knees, maybe rolling from side to side. You can even bring your feet together and just moving around. This is called happy baby. Just moving around, Maybe you want to straighten one leg, maybe you want to straighten both legs, feeling a beautiful stretch on your inner leg, your thigh, and breathe. You might want to come back to hugging your knees. And then bringing your legs down, touching your feet, touching the mat, arms in a T, taking knees in one direction, head on the other, and just coming into a gentle twist, feeling a wonderful stretch on your back, just allowing your body to relax. Close your eyes and relax into the pose. Bringing your knees to the center, your head to the center, and go in the opposite direction. And then bringing your head to the center, your legs to the center, and then just allowing your legs to fall straight in front of you. Maybe you want to place your palms, just allowing yourself to relax. Remember to breathe. Feeling the whole mind and body relaxed, ready for bed. Now you can stay here, fall asleep if you're in bed. I wish you a wonderful night's rest. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you think anyone else would benefit, please subscribe. This allows me to make more free videos. And until next time, namaste.